was definitely faster, and I will say the quality of candidates was much higher, in my opinion. We got people who, in fact, we wanted to really hire all of the candidates. They kind of all fit what we were looking for, and that was definitely helpful. And that happened pretty quickly. I think as far as the interviews were concerned, it was good that we were able to schedule them really quickly. I thought they were run very efficiently. I thought it went really smoothly. I would say give it a shot and just see what could happen. We thought it was a small investment to start as far as the $500 to kind of get that process rolling, and not having to pay until you've identified a candidate means that there's little to lose as far as trying it. And once we found a really good candidate, it made that investment feel much safer and like a good investment and use of our time and our resources in making sure we had good candidates to fill the role. I would recommend remote leverage, absolutely. In fact, I already have talked to a few of my attorney friends about it. So